Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created a bar graph in Google Sheets and wanted to give it your own personal touch by changing the bar colors, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to customize the color of the bars in your Google Sheets bar graphs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to make your charts more visually appealing, but also how to highlight your data so it stands out and is easier to read. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Sheets document. If you haven't inserted your chart yet, no worries, we'll start from scratch. At the top menu, click on Insert and then select Chart from the dropdown. This tells Google Sheets you're ready to visualize your data. Once you do this, Google Sheets will create a default chart for you. It might not be a bar graph right away, that's okay. Next, let's make sure we're actually working with a bar graph. Sometimes Google Sheets picks another type, like a column chart, but for this tutorial, we want those horizontal bars. So look over to the Chart Editor panel that pops up, usually on the right side of your screen. Under the Chart Type section, scroll through until you find the classic bar chart. Pick the one that best fits your data. Instantly, your chart will transform, showing off those horizontal bars. Great, now we're set up. Now here, where the real fun begins, customizing those bars. Hover over any of the bars on your graph and give one a double click. If it feels a bit unresponsive, try getting your cursor right on the colored area. Once you double click, a new set of options will appear along the right side of your screen in the chart editor. You should see choices like fill color, and line dash type. Don't worry if this looks a bit overwhelming for a second. It's a sign that you've unlocked some powerful customization tools. For this tutorial, we're going to focus just on the bar color. Find the fill color option. This is the setting that controls the main color filling up each bar. Think of it like the paint inside the frame of your data. Click on the color box next to fill color. A palette will pop up, giving you a choice of preset colors, or if you're feeling a bit creative, you can even type in a custom hex code to match your brand or document theme. Take your time here and pick a color that makes your chart pop or makes the most important data stand out. For example, if you're showing positive results, maybe choose a bright green, or for highlighting warnings or issues, a bold red might work better. The choice is yours, and you can always change it again later if you want. Once you've clicked your new color, take a moment to look at your chart. You'll see the bars instantly reflect the new shade. If you want, you can repeat this process for each individual series in a multi-series bar graph. Just double-click the next set of bars and repeat. This level of customization helps your charts tell the story you want, whether you're sharing results in a meeting or sprucing up a school project. And that's really all there is to it. You've now unlocked a simple but powerful way to visually enhance your Google Sheets bar graphs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more customization tips, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy charting.